Understanding and implementation of accounts and finance triangle is the fundamental and the foundation for success of your accounts and finance department. Let us see accounts and finance triangle. This I have created with lots of love and passion. Now, accounts and finance triangle looks like this. This represent a graphical structure of ideal accounts and finance department. Can you see on the bottom of it, there is an account receivable, account payable, compliances and documentation. That means to say these are the activity which are being carried out in the company. So all the activity through the account and finance department can be classified into the four part. One is account receivable, which represent all activity in relation to sales, like whatever is inflow coming to the company, like sales, job work, rental, anything which is relating to the inflow of the company, activities are being classified under account receivable. All activity relating to account payable, that means to say purchase, expenses, whatever the payment outflow that you need to make will cover under account payable. Compliances represent GST, income tax, advance tax, TDS, and whatever type of compliances that your company is doing, like ESI, PF. So we need to make ensure that all activities are classified under compliances and there is an automation of compliances. Now, documentation represent the kind of filing and index and documentation that you're doing in your company. When I say documentation, I mean to say online documentation. That means to say every purchase bill or expense bill or sale bill or any agreement draft, everything is being scanned and that is being attached along with the accounting entry. For example, you make a purchase entry in the tally accounting software. Now the purchase bill need to be attached with what? Your that accounting software entry. So whenever, wherever you are, you just open your accounting software and click on the link. That document scan copy is available to you. If somebody want to do the audit, he will do the audit by sitting at their office itself, like auditors are doing audit from their premises. Your purchase, sale and other department need to refer to any of the document that is readily available on the cloud through the documentation. So on the ground level, you need to classify all the activity into AR, AP, compliance and documentation and make a master list of activity. There is a separate video for master list of activity. Please watch that. So by doing that, you will be able to classify all the activity. So doers will be doing activity as per the account hierarchy. When people are doing the work, so there will automatically get created the MIS, that is called management information system. So MIS has certain parameter, like after doing activity you will become to know how much is the account payable, how much is account receivable, and what is the status of the compliances, whether everything has been done on time or not. Financial controller need to review on a daily and weekly and monthly basis the various MIS that is being created in the accounts and finance department, and now the financial controller need to analyze the gap if any and take suitable action and direct team members that they are taking the right action and the right aspect. You need to have an internal auditor in the company. Now internal auditor must be an external agency. The name is internal audit, but the person should be external. Now, the external auditor will do either monthly or quarterly or half yearly or at least once in a year. Somebody from the outside should look at whether the systems are processes, system and processes are working in the way it has been designed, or is there any deviation in the fact and the consistency of the company, the way it is performing. Now, internal auditor will discuss the draft report on a monthly basis with the financial controller and will represent to the board. Board means management, means business owner. Now, business owner must look at the accounts and finance once in a month in terms of monthly finance review meeting. Once in a month, in a monthly finance review meeting, internal auditor and financial controller are present. They are representing how much was the profit, what is the growth, how the cost has been reduced, cash has been effectively managed, what are the various areas of project that you are doing. So monthly basis board is reviewing, auditor is doing a monthly audit and submitting a report, financial controller on a daily and a weekly basis reviewing that, and MIS is getting created from the accounting software itself or using a Google Drive, if you like so. and account receivable, account payable compliances and documentation activity are being carried out by whom? By the doer. This is representation of the accounts and finance triangle. This is a game changer and fundamental aspect which should be implemented in your company. If your account and finance triangle is not implemented the way it has been designed, please do that. Please get it implemented. So thank you very much for watching this video, and you will get a lots and lots. See, you are asking me, Jigmohan, why to do this? If you have properly implemented account and finance triangle, your business will be a profitable business. Why? Because all the activities are properly being carried out and monitored. Cash rich and debt free company is possible because financial controller is working. 100% tax compliances because we have made the automation of compliances. Accurate accounting on time every time will be ensured because everybody's task has been defined and they are working as per their defined task. Inflow and outflow in the business as per the system in automation because MIS has already been implemented. Profit is physically visible and monthly profit is known because there is a monthly structure in which board of director are reviewing the financial summary on a monthly basis. Now this will result in the increase of net worth. There will be a financial control in the company and you will start experiencing the financial freedom and are going to have a lots of peace of mind and joy in the area of money. This is all the benefit of implementing a proper accounts and finance triangle in your company. Please do that. Thank you.